How to add your language to your profile information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your real language to your profile information on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, click on profile information. Now scroll down again and you have basic info, click on edit. Now scroll down and you're gonna find language, add a language. Just click on it and write your real language to add this information to your profile info. If you are done, click on save to save it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.